Exercise is an essential part of a healthy life.
Exercise is incredibly important for patients for multiple reasons. There's the social integration that's really good for your brain health. There's the physical exertion, which is great for your body.
But over time, those repetitive motions can cause chronic pain.
There's this thing I like to joke with patients is I say, what year were you born, right? And they say, 1960. I'm like, okay, great. So if you were born in 1960 and you had a car that was still running in 1960, how would it look like on the road? It takes a lot of tender loving care to keep it going.
That's where pain management physicians like Dr. Caroline Brennick can help.
My goal is not necessarily to save your life, but to save your lifestyle, improving the quality of your life. And that's why I like doing what I'm doing, is the ability to help patients get back to doing what they love, such as pickleball or golf.
Reducing pain and restoring function without surgery.
My three main pillars of treatment is physical therapy, medications, and injections.
You can learn more by searching for pain management on lehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.